What is up, my friends? Today
I'm showing you how to edit an image in Windows 10 laptop. So this is the image that I've selected. This is a very good quality image. I'm able to zoom in and zoom out properly. It's very sharp. So today I'll be editing this image and showing you how to liven up this image. So you can basically, there is cut, you can just change the cut and all, but we are not going to do that. There is filters, you can just change directly black and white and all, but I am not going to do that also. So we are going to do adjustment today, and we are going to make it a little bit more pro, or you can say manual basically. So we have light adjustments and color adjustments here. So I'm going to make it feel like the sun is rising up right now. So to do that, I'm going to increase the exposure, change my highlights and shadows.
I'll increase the contrast to make it more punchier and the
colors will be also increased. So I maxed out my colors. You don't need to max it out always because your image already might be very punchy. So I'm going to keep it around 70 or something. This actually gives me a very good sense of the colors. Now I'm going to increase the light so that the image looks more brighter. So let me start increasing it. So see the blue on the sky over here, that the color of the blue is going to change. So it's making it more lighter. It feels like the sun is really rising up. So when I increase it to max, it looks too artificial. So I'm going to keep it around 70 again, 77. Okay, so now we have contrast coming into play. So contrast is going to be the punchiness. So you don't want to make it so much that it's going to look so weird. Just look at the orange and black, so here that look too much. So just reduce it like around 30-40 or something. So I kept it 45. So this gives me a really good punchy image right now. Now what we're gonna do is make the sun's light really shine. So this part over here, this part over here is what I'm going to increase using the exposure controls. So we have exposure here, and when I increase this, just see the light. Like when I reduce it, it becomes blue over here. This part is bluish. So when I increase it, the things are going to brighten up really. So I'm going to make it like not this. This is obviously nothing. So you want to keep it 35 or 25 maybe. That's more than enough, I guess. So this makes a little bit more of the sun come into play. I want to increase it a little bit more. Everything is up to you guys, so you have to change it according to your image. It's not always you just copy each and every single step. So now there is highlights. So these are the whites basically. So when I increase or decrease them, so whites became black right now, and now they're properly white. So there's not much change coming into play over here. So I mean, if there was some grayish, then it would have increased the gray to white, but there is no gray in this image, so it's fine if I keep it 0 or 100 also. I'm just going to leave it by 4 or something, whatever it was. Now we have shadows. Now there is a lot of black here, and I want to remove it so that it becomes more beige. So I'm not going to reduce them. If I reduce them, blacks are going to increase, and if I increase it, the whites are going to increase. So now I'm going to increase it to such an extent that the image looks perfect. So you have to find it yourself, which setting is best for you. So I'm going to increase it like around 30, 40 or something. 40, let's keep it 42 or whatever it was. I'm going to play with the warmth. So this is actually the thing which is going to give a
very nice sunrise effect.
So now let me increase the warmth. If you reduce it, it's going to become more like winter or something like that. But you don't want, obviously this is weird. So I'm going to increase it. Just remember that the road's color is going to change so much. So you need to like make it feel realistic also. So increase it carefully. I'm going to keep it around 30 because it's enough orange for me. Clarity is something which you don't want to play with always, but you can like make it full or something, but it's not going to look good. I'm just going to keep it around 20-30 or something. It gives a very normal blessed look. Now
Begin it.
or whatever that thing is over here. So this is going to give the boundary part. So let me increase it for you. It's going to become black, and when I reduce it, it's going to become white. As I told you, I'm going to make it sunrise. I want it very light, so I'm going to reduce this around 30 or something, so that if I increase it more, you can see like the white is actually coming into the frame. So I don't want that to happen. So just keep it around 30 or maybe 25, so that it does not come in, but there is a lot of brightening happening. Okay, so that's all for this image, and I'm going to save this. Okay, so this is the edited picture and this is the real image. So you can literally see how much difference is there. Comment down below which image would you prefer. So these are the two images, and this was a
Very basic editing tutorial by me. So
thank you guys for watching. I'm going to edit another image in some time. So you can like, share and subscribe this video if you like to.